A breakfast cereal company's goodwill campaign learns the hard way refusing to feed hungry kids unless people retweet a message doesn't really create a lot of goodwill for its campaign. I'm Jen Markham on Buzz 60. The idea behind Kellogg's Give a Child a Breakfast campaign in the UK is to create breakfast clubs at schools across the country to give hungry kids a meal to start their day. But when the company tweeted, "1 retweet equals 1 breakfast for a vulnerable child," it came across to some users as, "Retweet us or else kids will go hungry." Many Twitter users called the tweet creepy, sickening, and distasteful, with more than one pointing out if Kellogg's has the capability to feed vulnerable children, then it should just do so. Kellogg's apologized for the tweet and deleted it, saying it is giving funding to breakfast clubs in vulnerable areas. But the whole holding food for hungry kids hostage until you engage us in social media thing is still happening on the company's Give a Child a Breakfast website, where the share, tweet, or watch equals 1 breakfast is trumpeted in a huge red banner. Kellogg's just doesn't get it. If the goal is clicks, I think it's going to get a lot less than it thought. Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.